question is from the concept of coding decoding. Now, the question says that in a certain code, this Rakhi word is written as or is coded as this one, right? And Shalu, there's another word Shalu, is coded as this one. There are so many categories that we are having in coding decoding that we covered in our codes, but here we are having our letters to number coding, right? Now what we need to do, we need to determine Manju. Now if you know the associated numbers of these alphabets, we learned the trick how we are going to remember each and every alphabet that with their associated numbers. So we can easily determine the code without thinking twice. We know that R is associated with 18. We know that R is associated with 18. A is associated with 1. K, Kings 11 Punjab, right? H, 8. I, 9. If I multiply each and every number with 2, I'll get this code. I'll just simply get this code. We know that 18 into 2, that is nothing but 36. 1 into 2, that is 2. Apart from that, 11 into 2, that is 22, and so on. If you will check with Shalu, we are having the same thing. S is associated with 19, H is associated with 8, A is associated with 1, L is associated with 12, and U is associated with 21. Now you all are thinking, ma'am, you remember all the associated numbers, but how we are going to learn that? For that, we just learned in a very simple way. If you will watch that video, you can also able to learn all the associated numbers in just 2 minutes or maybe less than that, right? Now, what we need to do, we need to write down or we need to find out the code for Manju. I know M is associated with 13. So, if I multiply 13 by 2, what I'll get? 26. Do we have that? No. Do we have that? No. Do we have that? Yes. 26? Yes. Now, switch on the next alphabet, that is A. A is associated with 1. And when I multiply 1 with 2, what I'll get? 2, not 1. So this option is also eliminated and the correct answer over here is option number D, right? Let's talk about one more topic.